Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to solve the error mysql connector programming errors could not process parameters. It must be of type list, tuple or dictionary. So I am getting this error when I am trying to hit the post and get paths in my Flask code with mysql database and postman, and this is the error that I get in my postman. So I'll be showing you how you can solve this for both get as well as post operation. So first let me begin with the get operation. Here you can see I am having a simplest of codes. I'm just fetching the data from my mysql database by passing a id. So this is the SQL query that I'm using, which is select asterisk from students where id equal to %s, and I'm passing the id over here, which I'm getting from the request parameters. So the error here is, here I'm passing the id right, I need to pass it as a tuple. So this is not a tuple structure, okay? Even though it's having circular bracket, this is not a tuple. So how we can make this as a tuple is, you need to just put a comma over here. So basically you need to have the cursor.execute, and you need to have your SQL query, and you can even have this as a variable. So in some cases you could also be having like query, something like this. You may have the query in a variable and you will be passing it here. This is also fine, but the thing is you need to have this as a tuple structure, something like this. So now if I save it and if I hit the fetch by id, this time no errors. If I go with some valid id, I'm getting the response. Now let's see how we can solve the exact same issue for posting data. So here I'm having a simple post and I'm just inserting only one value. This is the table. It has only one column id. So everything is fine. I'm having the SQL query, insert everything, insert into the table name, id, values, %s, cursor to execute, SQL query and id. Exact same issue here also. You need to put a comma over here. Alright, save it, and if you just stop and rerun, and I'll go to the post, sending it, posted. If I go to the database, 6 is there. So this is the solution, guys. You need to pass the value as tuple with a comma if you are passing a single value like this. So that's the video, guys. I hope you have found it useful. Do check the playlist of my channel. I've done a lot of tutorials in CRUD operations in MySQL, MongoDB, PostgreSQL with Spring Boot, Node.js, Flask, as well as AI APIs and tools. Check the playlist, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.